Now when flat towing a vehicle, some of the issues that may arise is somebody disconnecting your tow bar from your vehicle or stealing your tow bar off the back of your RV. Solution to that is locks. You can get a lock that will work with the Roadmaster Nighthawk all-terrain tow bar, and it's going to fit right in place of your lock on your pin. You go right through your pin, and that's going to secure your tow bar to your base plate. You're going to get 2 locks, 1 for each side, and 4 keys. The locks are key to like. With our locks in place, now we can have peace of mind knowing that nobody can easily come up and disconnect our tow bar.